leafy ballet. Listen up, kids, breathe deep and wide. Happiness grows on the kindness side. Kindness sprouts like mushrooms pop. Gratitude flows, drip, drop, plop. Mindful moments buzz and hum. Big joy blooms from where they come. A squirrel said please with a nut in its paw. A chipmunk giggled, best thing I ever saw. A tiny ant smiled while carrying a crumb. The forest cheered with a kazoo hum bum. Slide whistle swoops and a giggle parade. Even the bugs join the kindness crusade. One small deed makes the world feel wide. Plant a seed and watch joy collide. Kindness sprouts like mushrooms pop. Gratitude flows, drip, drop, plop. Mindful moments buzz and hum. Big joy blooms from where they come. The talking tree winked, then wobbled away, leaving the forest in a giggling sway. Remember the secret and keep it in view. Happiness grows from the good that you do.
Thanks for learning, friends. You made our day feel just right. Before we go, here's what to do. Like, subscribe, and share with your crew. Toby will be back real soon with more fun lessons and a catchy tune.